Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to screen record on your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to first record your screen on your iPhone, scroll up this application manager or the services you can see by the system, and you will be able to see here there is the screen record button available, which is currently recording over here. And if that button is not over there, slide it back down, go to the settings of your iPhone like this, and you'll be landed on this page, which is the settings page or the settings app of the iPhone. Scroll down a little bit and you can see the control center option available over here. Tap on control center, and over here you can see I have added my screen recorder over here in the control center, which is the included controls. And if I tap over here, and it will be closed and it will be available over here. You can see there is the sound screen recorder available over here with a green plus mark. Tap on that green plus mark and that screen recording will be available on the included controls over here of your iPhone. And that button will on which after we tap it, the recording will be enabled, or the screen recording will be enabled, is this button. And after doing that, after enabling your screen recorder from the controls over here, you'll be able to screen record your iPhone. And so guys, this is how you screen record on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.